Looking for the best webcams for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 webcams that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a webcam that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended webcams. Number 1 on the list is Logitech C920 C920s. Logitech C920 has been the gold standard for webcams since it launched way back in 2013. Even after 7 years, it's still arguably the best webcam for video conferencing. There are other versions of the camera, the C920s, which has a privacy shutter, and the C922, which is designed for streaming. All versions of the Logitech C920 have the same excellent 78-degree field of view lens that can show not only you, but the room behind you, or the people sitting next to you. The 1080p sensor picks up plenty of detail even in low light, and its color reproduction was once the best on the market. Senior editor Andrew Friedman wrote a Logitech C920 review for Laptop Mag back in 2016, and he was impressed with both the image quality and width. He also noted that the camera's dual microphones picked up clear sound, though, in a crowded office they also picked up some background noise. But if you're in a quiet room, they should be fine for casual calls. Time has caught up to this camera a bit. More recent rivals make its color reproduction look washed out. But it's a solid, consistent performer that will serve you well. Second on the list is Microsoft Modern Webcam. The Microsoft Modern Webcam is cheaper and more available than the Logitech C920. It also has more features and better, more accurate color reproduction than its older competitor. The Microsoft Modern Webcam's monitor mount can be shaky on some monitors, especially those that aren't flat along the back, but you can get it stable with some artful balancing. The sliding physical camera shutter gives this webcam a premium feel. The Microsoft Modern Webcam comes with an intuitive, but not particularly powerful, app that's designed to look like a Windows menu. The app is where you'll adjust most of this camera's special features, including HDR and flicker reduction powered by its ability to capture footage at 60 fps. This webcam's 1080p at 60 fps capture is a big get for streamers, especially since many gaming-focused webcams cost upwards of $100. It's unfortunate that you can't swivel or rotate this camera for better shooting angles. While the C920 shares that limitation, there are lower budget options with this flexibility. But if you want a camera in the C920's space that doesn't wash out colors as much and has more options, the Microsoft Modern Webcam is an easy choice, so long as your monitor isn't too curvy on the back. Number 3 on the list is Dell Ultrasharp Webcam. If you have money to spare, the $199 Dell Ultrasharp Webcam is an easy frontrunner. This camera has loads of features, including 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps recording, HDR, and even optional AI that helps keep you in frame. It also features 3 different field of view options and lots of customizability thanks to the ability to turn on manual focus and zoom sliders. But where this camera really blew us away was on image quality. Regardless of which resolution you pick, this camera's footage looks sharp and has the most flattering lighting and colors we've seen yet. No artifacts or weird pale or yellowish tones found here. There are a few issues in the build. While the camera itself feels sturdy and looks stylish, it has a lot of small parts you'll need to swap in and out. The monitor mount and tripod mount are 2 separate pieces, for example. You can easily change them in and out since they both fit into the same magnetic slot, but once you add in the magnetic webcam cover, that's a lot of extra stuff to keep track of. The monitor mount also lacks feet, which means it can feel unstable. I didn't feel like it was going to fall off my monitor, but it took some work to get it to that point. Still, that's all worth it for this almost mirror-like image quality. This is definitely one of the more expensive cameras on this list, but given all of this camera's features and how little you have to work to make its footage look good, although there are plenty of post-processing options, it easily justifies its price. Number 4 on the list is Razer Kiyo Pro. The Razer Kiyo Pro is Razer's 2021 update to the Razer Kiyo, and it adds plenty of new features that will be very helpful for content creators and amateur filmmakers alike. These include HDR recording, the ability to capture footage at 1080p at 60 fps, a light sensor that adjusts how much light the webcam captures to make images as flattering as possible regardless of lighting, and a microphone with headset-level audio quality. All of these features come at the loss of the original Kiyo's ring light and a new $199 price tag. While the light sensor impresses enough to make the loss of the ring light sting less, that new cost limits the camera to creators who need its extra features instead of a more everyday audience. The Kiyo Pro's features can also be a touch difficult to access because you'll need Razer Synapse to change settings like field of view or how warm-cool your photos are. And to access 60 fps recording, you'll need to set that up separately in your recording software. The price also puts the Kiyo Pro on par with the Logitech Brio 4K, which has the benefit of capturing footage in, well, 4K. But given that most streaming platforms don't support 4K yet, the Kiyo Pro's other features do help justify its cost despite its 1080p max resolution. The Kiyo Pro's image quality is still excellent, and its 60 fps recording is great for game streamers, while its HDR capture makes it more appealing to just about everyone. Most people can probably make do without these bells and whistles, but if you want something premium and aren't sold on 4K, the Kiyo Pro is a solid bet. Number 5 on the list is Logitech C930e. Like its popular sibling, the Logitech C920 C920s, the Logitech C930e has excellent image quality with superior color reproduction, sharpness and low light performance. However, it one-ups the C920 series by providing a Carl Zeiss lens that has a 90-degree field of view. One of the very best webcams you can get at any price, the C930e also comes standard with a privacy shutter. Its dual, omnidirectional mix also provide better noise cancelling than the C920. The main advantage that the C920 and C920s have is price, as the C930e's MSRP is $129 as compared to $69 for the C920s. Just now is a list of 5 best webcams that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.